What a privilege it is today to be with my friend TheDanVan and show you his new to him Roadtrek. Stay tuned, everybody. Okay, so Dan, what year, make, and model are we looking at today?
This is a 2000 Chevy Roadtrek. It's a 200 Versatile.
Okay, and when did you get it?
I picked it up on April 2nd of 2020.
And it is not your first rig on the road.
Oh no, it's my second.
And you've been out here how long?
This is my 4th January in Quartzsite, let's put it that way.
Yeah, that is so awesome. And what is your favorite thing about this rig?
The fact that I can stand up.
Everybody says that. And if there was one thing that you wish the manufacturer would have changed or that you could change, what would it be?
Probably two things. One is the water fill, and the other would be where they put the house battery on this model.
Okay, well, let's take a look at her.
These are just 2 storage cabinets above the sink. Just have kitchen stuff in there. Got nice mirrors here, magnifying mirror here. And one of the joys is there's a mirror here, so I can stand and angle this one just right so I can see the back of my head.
Nice.
Then I got this shelf here, and I put these on to keep things from sliding off. And I got another shelf back here.
And are those handles, Dan?
Yeah, all these are cabinet handles that I just screwed on.
Nice.
Made them stop. And I have this with hanging clothes. It's my closet. I got some Christmas lights out there. And this is neat because this goes way back, and I have a lot of books in here and stuff.
Cool. And so you've got your books and stuff in there. Is this, both of these doors are hanging?
It can be, but half of it's hanging, half of it's where I store blankets and some other things.
Okay, all right.
And this is my pantry where I have clothes. I could put, this had another thing for hanging clothes here, but I just put shelves in. And then I got 2 drawers down here. And then this is the door to the bathroom. It can lock and open this way, or it can flip and stay that way.
I just think that is the coolest feature.
And this is also where the shower is. So that's the shower head, and the shower curtain comes out and goes around here, and then this lifts up, and there's a floor drain right there that goes into the gray tank. It doesn't go out on the ground.
Oh, that is lovely.
And that's my bathroom where I have my dirty clothes right now.
I think everybody uses their bathroom for some sort of storage, but I love how that closes off.
Well, see, and I can see my back of my head in this.
There you go.
I can turn it this way and do the same thing on this side.
That's nice, especially when you're doing haircuts or anything.
Yes, so that's a nice little feature.
Well, you just made a lot of women envious with all the clothes storage and blanket storage and that bathroom and everything. Thank you.
Well, that's only from here forward.
I know.
Got the back. Okay, this is the kitchen area, which I really like. One of the nice features is this, is it has a cutting board that comes out above the drawer.
Sweet.
So that's a nice little feature. And then I got a sink, running water, stove with gas, although I've put 500 watts of solar on the roof, so I cook with a hot plate. I pull it out and plug it in, and I can cook that way. I have enough electricity.
Nice.
And this is another cabinet, and I more or less made this. This also had a place to hang clothes, but I put more shelves in here, and this is where I keep a lot of tools and nuts and bolts and wires and batteries and such in here. Then I got stuff up here. This is where I have a DVD player. My TV's here, and the bed's here. The air conditioner's here. And then I have another cabinet up here. And this goes all the way back. Both of these 2 cabinets go back.
I saw that. That's a lot of storage.
I have winter clothes up here, which I've been going in and out and wearing these kinds of winter clothes. I have another cabinet here.
You're very organized.
My microwave. And then I have a 4.3 cubic refrigerator that's a 3-way. Runs off gas, electricity, or solar.
That is, that is lovely.
Exhaust fan here. Sad thing is that this is a fantastic fan. It only goes one way and only has 3 speeds.
Ah.
When it breaks, I'll put in a max air.
Yeah.
10 speeds and go both ways.
I have a max air with a remote, and I didn't think I'd use the remote. use the crap out of it.
That's probably what I'll end up doing.
Yeah, so your bed, do you use it as is or do you pull it out?
Well, I like to have a lounge area so if people come over, and then I have a fold-out table. So I can use this as a dining table, work table for my laptop, or we can put 2-3 people in here and play cards.
That's nice.
But this lifts out, and this gives me about 28 inches from here to the back of the van for a bed. And this one lifts out. Both of these lift out. And a lot of people say, well, 28 inches, that's not much. But because this is U-shaped, this is all that's 28 inches. On the sides, when I put my head, I've got arm room, and my feet can spread out. They can just go on here. So really, it's only from here to here that I'm in the 28-inch zone. Everything else I've got. If I put these down and put the board here, this becomes a queen-size bed.
Wow, that is really nice.
It's a great rig.
Thank you so much for showing us your home today.
You're welcome.
And what is your motto?
Hey everybody, hope you're having fun. I am, and you should be too.
That is the Dan Van, you guys.